Forget the supercars. In 1984, this was the coolest place in Lego Town. This is set 6373 Motorcycle Shop, and it features a brick-built sidecar, and there are pieces that haven't been seen for 40 years. You get a master mechanic, a unique test rider, and enough tools to fix a sputtering carburetor. With 163 pieces, it's pure 80s charm. There are rare windscreens, classic helmets, and 100% play fun. It's a 15.5 out of 20 on the Lord Paul scoring scale. So head over to the channel for the full deep dive review. Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Keep on building. I'm Lord Paul, and this is Lord Paul's Bricks, and bye for now.